everyone, good morning, how are you? So today I'm going to be doing another Clash of Code stream. I'm losing my voice a little bit. So I did a very small coding wars problem to try to warm up for this, so hopefully it goes well this week. If you're here, good morning Raider 1, how are you? Yeah, go ahead and say hi in the chat, and I'm going to start a clash in just a second. So if you don't know how clashes work, there's basically three options: fastest, shortest, and reversed. The fastest one is that, just solve the challenge as fast as possible. There are tests you have to pass, of course. So it's ranked by how many tests you pass and then by how fastest. So if you pass 100 and someone else only passed 80, then of course you win. So all of these work like that. Shortest is fewest characters. Reverse is you're not given the problem statement, you're just given input and output and you have to figure out the algorithm. So I'm going to let it choose one of these by random. Yeah. It's been about 2 minutes. I want to see if anyone else joins. I guess they'll join as I start the clash. Yeah, let me go ahead and start and see who joins. By the way, I picked all languages here that are available, so you can do it in any language. And then you'll just have to pick, like, per the challenge, which language you should use, I guess. But I think I'm going to be doing Python today, mostly. We'll see. All right, so I started the challenge. Hi, Thiept, good to see you. Here's the challenge. Yeah, at first I was just doing certain challenges in certain languages, but then I figured, what does it matter? I'll just do it completely random. Anybody can use any language, and it might be any kind of challenge. All right, it's just me versus Thiept, who is 15 levels ahead of me still. What rank am I? Oh, it says 16,000th. That's actually much better than I used to be. I think because so many people are probably at level 1 who just try out the platforms, so I think you go up like 100,000 just by doing a couple challenges. Oh cool, Raider 1 joined us. Seeb Omega. Alright, anyone else want to join? Let me post again in case you just joined. I'm going to post this one more time in the chat. You have 46 seconds to join. All right, AKK, welcome. Anyone else? Just the 4 of us? You can always join after we start too. There's no deadline. You'll just be a bit behind. But it takes me at least a couple minutes to talk through the challenge anyway. All right, anyone else want to join? 15 seconds. Nope, it looks like it's just the 4 of us. That's okay. Oh, the official countdown. All right. Cool. I think I saw some of the usual clashers online earlier actually, so maybe they'll be joining us after they finish whatever coding challenge they're already doing. Okay, we are given 2 integers, a and b. Oh wait, I forgot to look. Oh, this is fastest mode. Okay. Richard Gill, maybe next time, just starting my work day. Okay, cool. Yeah, next time. I would be starting my work day if I had a regular job, but since I can set my own hours, I'm going to start at 1 p.m. today. We are given 2 integers, a and b. For those 2 integers, we look for positive integers which divide both a and b without leaving a remainder. Okay. If there does not exist such an integer beside 1, we call a and b coprime. Okay. I get how it works. So line 1, positive integer A, line 2, positive integer B. And, okay, so it's popping off the two inputs. Let's see, let me do this. So input 5 and 6 is true. Okay, so true is when they are co-prime. Okay, so we are given two integers A and B. For those two integers, we look for positive integers which divide both A and B. So I guess I just have to, I don't know, should I figure out if A and B, which one's larger? They're both integers, so I could do, let's see, I could just make, oh, let me put it in the next line. So if I wrote a for loop, I would want to loop through the largest one. So, oops, what did I just do? Oh, I accidentally hit Command Enter. So largest equals A if A is greater than B, else B. Maybe there's a shorter way to do that, I don't know. Okay, so largest will equal whichever. And then I'm going to enumerate through, I don't know if I'll need the index, but we'll see. So I can do let's see. Actually, I don't need to do that. Yeah, I'll do I in range largest. Hi, Forgo, how are you? If you still want to join the challenge, you can, feel free. We just started. Still have almost 12 minutes left. Okay, so yeah, get rid of that. The standard input according to the problem statement. Okay, so for I in range largest, now I'm looping through the array. Actually, I don't need to, because they have, this should be smallest. I made a mistake, because I don't need to loop through the largest one, because I can find the smallest one. See, Thebed and AKK already solved this. What level is AKK? Okay, he's a level 7. So he's way ahead of me too. Okay, so A, if A, so I just need to change this to less than. If A is less than B, else B. Okay, so I need to loop through the smallest, because I have to find the common dividers, I guess. Okay, so let's see, I need to, I lost track of where it was. So I need to find a number, so I'm going to choose I will be the number, and then I'm going to say if I is greater than 1, then I'm going to test it out. So, man, okay. Let's see, if I, okay, and then I have to see if I divides into A and B. So if I, no, if, let's go with A first. So if A, and then modulus B, no, modulus I equals 0, and B modulus I equals 0. So if the remainder for both of those are 0 based off of this one positive integer, then it doesn't have to be, yeah, it's just a positive integer. Okay, so if they are both, then I need to just go ahead and return false here. And then, oh, there's no function. Okay, there's no function, so I should print false. Or no, I should set, maybe I should break here then and set some kind of Boolean. Or no, I need to print out a string, so I might as well make it a string. So let me do is coprime equals false. And here I'll set is coprime equal to true. And then I'll break out of the loop. And then here I will print is coprime. Okay. Found false should be true. Found, so these are the opposites. So why am I getting the opposite values here? I'm doing something wrong. So if I is greater than, I need to, yeah, anyway, let's see. I was going to say I need to get rid of this, but it's okay. Let's see. If this equals 0 and the remainder of this equals 0, then is coprime. Oh, this means, oh yeah, this means it is false. So that's right. So because that means that something perfectly divides, that means that a positive integer perfectly divides into both of them, so it would be false. So I just had my logic backwards. Sweet. Okay, let me play all test cases. Sweet, so I actually finished 4 of them. You know, since this is fastest, I'm not going to bother optimizing it, so I'm going to hit submit and see what happens. 75%? Oh well, I got 4th anyway. So it looks like everyone finished. I thought there were more. I guess we only have 4 people. Yeah, I don't know. I wish it would show you, like, which tests you failed so you could fix it. Import import greatest common denominator. Okay, that's a good way to do it. Yeah. Okay, so everyone else used this greatest common denominator function, which makes total sense here. So I basically rebuilt a worse version of that. Hi, BD boy. How are you? Okay, so Raider 1 actually didn't. Let's see. Coprime equals true. Coprime equals false. Oh, wow. This is a lot more logic. But anyway, he beat me, so his solution worked, which is all that matters. Okay, so let's start again. Let me go back to Clash of Code. I did not know this function existed. Yeah. I mean, that should have been the first place we looked, was in the Python math module for a function like that. Okay, I am going to start another one. Hopefully there's a few more people who will join me. Yeah, greatest common denominator. Okay, so I'm going to start the same thing. It's going to be random between fastest, shortest, and reverse. Go ahead and start, and I will post it in the chat. All right, who wants to join? Go ahead and join. 2 minutes before this starts. Oh, cool. I can see Raider 1 here. Thebe, DKK again. Thebe, how many hours do you play of this every day? What is this name? Galabangala. Oh, from North Korea. I remember this. You had a different icon last time, though. Unless multiple similar people say they're from North Korea, but I don't think so. Okay, anyone else? We have 4 so far. You don't know how many hours you play a day? Hi, Hacked. Very nice avatar. Or profile pic, I guess. Alright, We have 5 people so far. That's one more than last time. Let's see. I'm going to invite Raider. I'm not sure if you have time to... Oh, you're coming. Okay. Cool. So we have 30 seconds left if you want to join. Oh, your page isn't loading. Hey, Anite, how are you? Awesome. So there's the link again. Oh, Curry, there's somebody else from North Korea here. Yeah, there's been at least one who claims he's not from North Korea but is from North Korea. All right, we have 6 people. Feel free to join even if you're late. You're still welcome in the clash. Fastest mode, again. You have to pass the maximum number of tests as fast as possible. Okay, your program must print n times a given word on separate lines. Is that it? What? Okay. N lines containing W. Man, AKK already solved this. Okay. Let's see. For N, no, that's already used. For I in range N, and then print W. Found result a word W. Oh, is this uppercase? No, it's lowercase. So I thought W would be the input, right? Oh, it's printing result at the end. I need to get rid of that. Okay. All right, so I got last. Yeah, thank you. Thanks, AKK. All right, well, oh no, Inite is still clashing. So I got 5th this time. I can't believe that challenge exists. That is such an easy challenge. I guess it's a fastest challenge, so I mean 24 seconds, that's insane. Alright, I'm gonna wait for Inite. I'm gonna wait another minute to see if they finish from Portugal. Nice. I was actually going to be going to Portugal this year. I was going to go to a conference in Portugal, and where was the other conference? Oh, in Oslo. Yeah, but I didn't get to go, which was kind of sad. All right, Inite, are you wrapping it up? It's been a couple minutes. Okay, I'm about to start the next clash. I think everyone got the same code as me. Let me check it out. Oh yeah, the one-liners. Print .join for range. Basically the same thing. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna do another challenge. Sorry, I couldn't wait. I wasn't sure if your computer locked up again. Okay, so I'm gonna start another private clash. Again, any language, any type of challenge. If it picks fastest again, then I'm gonna get rid of that option for the next time so we get some variety. But let's see what it gives us. All right, join the challenge. We have 2 minutes to join. That's kind of cool though, because a lot of the other challenges I haven't even been able to finish. Oh, hi MavNZ. That's a very cool picture. Yeah, a lot of the other challenges I haven't been able to finish in 15 minutes, so that was kind of cool. It was like a 1-minute challenge. Maybe it's just to make people feel good. Hi Aracito, thanks for the follow. Oh, hi Faceless Bard, how are you? Hi Major. Alright, anyone else want to join? We have 7 people. We're slowly getting more each round. Alright, Hacked is back, Raider 1. Oh, can you get the link again? Yeah, let me post it. All right. So I have 45 seconds left to join. Oh, by the way, I tried out some of the other competitions on this site, and they all seem too hard for a stream. Yeah, you can join later. Each of these challenges takes 15 minutes or less. So you can join late to this challenge, or you can join for the next challenge, or whenever you want. Hi, Andy, how are you? Okay, we have 9 people this time. That is good. And yeah, again, feel free to join even after the challenge starts. Okay. Fastest mode. You have to pass the maximum number of tests as fast as possible. Okay, this is the same thing as last time, same kind of mode. Your job is to create a program that will output a person's degree, which is listed after their name in the input. Okay. Not all names have a degree. For those names, you must output NA. Oh, this seems like a simple one. An integer n. Okay, the first line is an integer n for how many names are going to be provided. So it's already looping through the range of the number of names. And then names can contain non-alpha characters such as hyphens, but a comma is always followed by a degree. Okay, so I need to split on the comma, I guess. Note, degrees can contain capital, lowercase, spaces, and periods. Okay, 1 line per name containing that person's name and degree if exists. So it gives us an example of a string. BAS. Okay, so I need to split, and Thebed already finished this one. All right, so let me get rid of this, and I'm gonna need to, let me just pass. Let me print out name real quick. And James Morrison, yeah, BAS. Okay, that's what I thought. Then why is it looping through twice here? I don't understand why I had 2 loops. Okay. Containing that person's degree. 1 line per name. Containing that person's degree if exists. Wait. It's expected BAS. So I just output the degrees and that's it? Hi, Arpiera. How are you? Yeah, I'm doing well this morning. I was losing my voice until I started talking on the stream, and then I got my voice back, which is weird. Talking to get your voice back. Okay, name dot, let's see, can I do, oh, by the way, you can join late, even if you just want to join now. Okay, so name dot split, and then I can do dot split on a string, right, in Python? Okay, name dot split, and then split on a comma, and let's see what happens there. Yeah, okay, so, and then I'm going to do 1, go to the first index, yeah, out of range error. So this is what I'm going to do. Oh, dot trim. Can I do dot trim? Is that valid? Okay, well, it might be valid. We'll see. So here's what I'm going to do. Try, and then catch. No, except. Try except, and then I will print NA. Okay, so, oh, dot trim isn't valid then. How do I dot trim something? string. Oh, strip. 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 Oops. Wait, isn't it? Yeah, strip. Sweet. Let me play them all. All right, awesome. I think I still got last though. Oh no, there's 3 more. Okay, so 426, I don't think that was too bad. Okay. Galabungala submitted, and I submitted. Raider 1 is still clashing. Alright. Let me look at someone else's code. How about Mav? I don't think you've joined the stream before. View code. Readline.split. Oh, okay, you did JavaScript. Oh, that's a bit shorter. Just do or. Yeah, because you don't get an error. There's no error thrown in JavaScript for it not existing there, which is fun. Okay, I think I'm gonna start a new challenge. Yeah, JavaScript, just throw no errors. I wonder if you did, what's that mode they have now, or they've had for years now? Like strict mode, does that throw an error, or does that not matter? Hi Jin404, how are you? I hope you stay and join our next challenge. You're unsure, okay. Not matter. Okay, so Raider 1 is still clashing. Yeah, I'm not sure. Are you almost done, Raider 1? Oh, hi Limo, how are you? We're almost done with our 3rd clash already in less than 30 minutes, which is awesome. Yes, JavaScript is very, very forgiving. Beeped. Oh, because he got 1 minute and 20 seconds. Oh, okay. We did slicing on the string, name.split. Oh, you sliced off the character. Okay. I guess that works. You sliced off the space character instead of trimming it. Okay, so I'm gonna have to leave, so... Oh, don't wait, okay. Oh, you no-thiebed. Yeah, if you're on Clash of Code at all, you've probably seen him. Thiebed, oh yeah, Terrazoid. Terrazoid also joins a lot, but I guess he's not on today, maybe? Alright, I'm gonna start a new class. Yeah, Terrazoid. And this other D10th has also been joining a lot. Alright. Let's start a private clash. Are you gonna join us today, Limo? So yeah, any of these challenges, we keep getting fastest for some reason. So let's see if we get something different this time. And yeah, any language is allowed. And take fastest out. Okay. So this time we'll get either shortest or reverse. We'll see how that is. Are we on the Clash of Code Discord? I think I am, yeah, but I haven't checked it. Oh yeah, am I supposed to post? I think I'm supposed to post in there when I go live. I'm not sure. Oh, you're just lurking? Okay. I'm pretty slow for clashing too. So, wouldn't be any different there. Seb Omega is following me. I'm going to follow them and invite them. See if they're on. 1 more player is required. Oh, I haven't shared the link yet. Sorry. No, it auto posts when you add a link of Clasher code here. Okay. Yes, join me. Oh, Seb joined. Cool, thanks. Alright, so we have 1 minute and 5 seconds to join. It's mostly everyone from the same round except Sed. Hi Sed, how are you? You do it in Java. What country is that? I don't know. I guess that's a country near Russia, maybe? I don't know. Oh, it is Russia. Okay, thanks. Yeah, it looked, just from the characters, it looked Russian. Okay, thanks. So we have 12 people. Anyone else want to join? Oh, and no, okay. Welcome. Sid, and yeah. I was in Eastern Europe 2 years ago for like 3 weeks, and I had so much fun there. But everything was written in those characters, so it was like, yeah, I kind of had to, I don't know, just find my way around. I was gonna try driving actually. Okay, shortest mode. I was gonna try driving, and then I saw the signs in those characters. I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna do this. Sirzex, thanks for the follow. Okay, so fewest characters, shortest mode. Write a program that takes a string as its input and outputs a string as output based on several factors. We're playing Clash of Code together. Here's the link if you want to join us, Sirzex. You are welcome to join. We still have over 14 minutes left. You could still win or at least solve the challenge. As its input and output, a string output based on several factors. Okay, so these are the factors to determine the output. So if the character is an uppercase letter, A through Z, then print out the letters A through character. For example, if the character is C, print out ABC. If it's E, print out ABCDE. If the character is a lowercase, then print out the letters A through character. So the same thing except lowercase. If the character is a digit, 0 through 9, then print out the numbers 0 through character. Okay. Thanks for the follow, Grateful Tomato. Oh, hi, we got raided. Who raided? Arichto. Hi, how are you? Thanks for the raid. Welcome. I was trying to figure out what that emoji is. Oh, it's a Twitch raid emoji. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, if you want to join us, there is the link to the Clash of Code that we're playing. Thank you. And thanks for all the love. Doing some competitive Twitch apart from Arichto. Really? I never saw Arichto stream, so I'll have to go and check him out. Thanks. Okay, so now I'm totally distracted. Okay, so I have the challenge statement, and please feel free to join our challenge. All right, so line 1, we already know input is a string, contains of a series of alphanumeric characters. Line 2, a string containing each character of the input replaced with all the characters. This isn't line 2, this is the output. Okay, before it in the fashion statement above. Okay, so the only example it gives is of one character. It prints out AB. So let me look at the test cases then. Okay, so test case 2, still one character. I thought it could give you more characters, yeah. Okay, so it's all one string. So if the first character is a capital B, you print out AB. Second one is lowercase d, so then it's lowercase ABCD. And the third one is a number, so it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. Now I just have to write the solution here. How many words per minute can you type? I don't know. Actually, so when I stream, I use my laptop keyboard, but usually I use a programmable keyboard, and I'm a bit faster on that. But I'm an okay typer. I'm not like super fast. Exceller, thanks for the follow. Yeah, when I was little, I mean, I did hours and hours and hours of Mavis Beacon all the time, but I think I lost some of that over the years. Okay, where do I start? So S will be the full input string, and then I need to loop through it. So let me just create a loop here. So I'll do for, let's see, do I need the, yeah, I need the iterator and the element. So let me do for IL in range S. Wait, I can't do range S. I can just loop through it. Oh, enumerate. What am I doing? Okay, enumerate S. Yeah. Hi, Melky Dove. Good to see you again. Oh, awesome. Thank you. Yeah, I'll be doing an intro to Vue.js stream on YouTube pretty soon on someone else's channel. We're just planning it right now. So I think that's the next one coming up. Okay, so I'm looping through each character. Let me change this to character. So I'm looping through each character in S. And then I have to decide, so if char, is there an is alpha? Is alpha, yeah. Is alpha. I guess that's the sound of someone joined or someone won already. Okay, so if char.is alpha, then, is that how I use it? Let me look at Python is alpha. Python string is alpha. Yeah, that's exactly how I use it. Okay, returns true or false. So Python's, this character, so if it's either lowercase or uppercase, then I need to loop through. So how should I do this? How should I loop through the characters? I'm thinking about using, oh, hi Richard, me. Good to see you. Feel free to join us. Yeah, the coding wars has gone really well today. I've solved every challenge so far, and I'm happy about that. Granted, some of them were easy, but still it feels good. Actually, all of them were not too challenging. Okay, so I char in enumerate S. Okay, so I can do char dot is alpha, and then I need to, so this is if it's lowercase or uppercase here. So then I need to loop through, So I'm thinking what I'm going to do is, I don't know, let me see, there's an is upper method, right? Yeah, there's an is upper. So I was thinking about doing it just in one, but maybe I can optimize it after. It is shortest mode, so I'm going to have a lot of extra characters here. So, and then I can do is char dot is upper, and then because I'm thinking about converting it to ASCII in enumerate. This is a string, so I'm just getting the index of the string and the character in the string in a loop here. And then else means it's a number, and then I have to handle that. So if character dot is upper, and this would be a method, and then I could convert the character to ASCII here. So, I don't know, ASCII char. And then how did I convert to ASCII in Python? So it's Python convert to ASCII. Yeah, ORD. Okay. So then I can loop through, because then I have the alphabet, so I don't have to make a whole separate string of the alphabet. So I can do ORD char, and then, oh, thanks, Richard Me. I saw it too late. So the ASCII character of char is ord char, and then if I do char dot is upper, actually, if I'm going to do is upper, I could check if it's in a certain range. I don't know which one's fewer characters though. But now I have the ord, so I have to loop through. So if it's is upper, what's my starting point? So my starting point for ASCII. Let me look at ASCII. What is it? ASCII table to see where the uppercase and lowercase characters are. Okay, so ASCII table is, okay, here it is. So uppercase starts at 65. So it starts at 65, goes through 90. So I'm going to put that in a comment here, 65 through 90. And then the lowercase starts at 97 and goes through 122. So, oh wait, let me, else, 97 through 122. Okay, so if it's upper or lower, then I need to loop through, I don't know, maybe this is too many characters, because I could just create an array here, or a string actually. So I could say alpha equals a string of let me see if I can copy paste. Oh, come on. Okay, here it is. Good, someone already wrote this out for me. Nums equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, can I import it from string? Man. Hi Rick, how are you? Hi Owen KB, how are you? It's going pretty well. Oh, I only have 3 minutes left. Okay, so I'm not gonna do the ASCII table. It's probably gonna take me too long. Richard says I can import it from string, probably a good idea, but I need to hurry up here. So if charda is upper, so if it's uppercase, well, now it doesn't matter because I'm going to be looping through and then changing it to uppercase or lowercase now. So if I do, so I have to get the index of this. So I need to slice to the index of where char is on alpha here. So, okay, so index equals alpha dot index. Can I do that? Index of char? Yeah, I think I can do that. Man, okay. Well, 4 people solved. I guess it's toward the end, so it's not like we've solved in 1 minute or anything. INX alpha index char. Okay, so I have the index of char. Now I need to slice. So I need to slice from 0. So it's going to be, so I'm going to slice alpha from 0 to, I can just put 0 to, yeah, INX. So this will be, and then I need to do string plus equals. No, I can't use that. I need to do like S. No, S is already the input. Let me do ST. or S2. Okay, so I'm going to put S2 here equals an empty string. I'm going to do plus equals. I think I do the same logic, right? For only have 55 seconds left. So INX index of num. Okay. Nums.index char. So, and then I can print the S2. Did it go anywhere? No. Substring not found. Expected AB. Okay, so why is the substring not found? Let's see. Oh yeah, and then I have to check to uppercase or lowercase it. Wait, before I add, yeah. So if, no, I can't do it. Okay, so if char dot is upper, oh well. Didn't quite get it. A lot of people got it though. Few people still clashing. Grateful Tomato did Ruby, got 60%. Oh, Mr. Green with C++. Nice. In a fewest character challenge, Mr. Green did C++ with 826 characters. Wow. Mine is 294 in Python. A little sad. Major solved it though with 349. Let's see who won. Thieped with 98 characters. What is this? Okay, so he did use ASCII with ORD. I just felt like I couldn't solve it in time if I did ASCII. Input prompt. Like it will with print, but doesn't pause the execution. Oh, okay. Yeah, he did this. I think, Thebed, you must write this out first, right? And then you optimize it and get it into the fewest characters possible. There's no way anyone thinks in this type of code. I don't think it's possible. Okay. Yeah, what in the world? Okay. I equals input. That's crazy. All right. Let's look at second place with twice as many characters almost. Join, ASCII lowercase. Yeah, a lot more readable. ASCII uppercase. I didn't know we had these. ASCII lowercase, ASCII uppercase. Oh, you can get that from string. Oh, okay. Nice. That's very nice. All right. It was. I do want to finish solving this after. I don't think it saves code. Oh, share my code. I don't think it saves code if you get out of a challenge. You can't see what you did later. So I do want to solve this and see how many characters I can get to. All right, who wants to do one more? That O is less than 60 plus O is less than 94. Yeah. Is lower and is upper is easier. Yeah, 1 second. I'm going to start a new challenge so everyone can join. So let me go to Clash of Code. So what do you think? Should we do a reverse challenge? Yeah, you can use Go if you want. Is that what you're saying? You can use Golang or any type of language here. I think we're going to try reverse. We haven't done a reverse. Okay, cool. Mav and Z. All right. So let me share the link and see. Okay, go ahead and join. Yeah, and then we'll start a new challenge. I don't know, this might be the last challenge. Maybe we'll do one more after this. I feel like we've done a lot of challenges today. Let me see what my level is. Still level 2. So I guess this ranking here, like 16,000, doesn't change as long as I'm the same level, right? I think I have to level up. Okay, Mav followed me 1 minute ago. Let me follow back so I can invite you to future clashes. All right, does this close? This sidebar, does it ever close? Oh yeah, I'm zoomed in 133%. That's why it looks like that. Oh, invite you. See. Oh, sorry. Okay. I sent you an invite. All right, we have 8, 9, 10 so far. Any more? Anyone else want to join? You can help comment on new puzzles to level up. Oh, thanks, Grateful Tomato. I didn't know that. I actually haven't done much else with this site. I looked at a couple other competitions, like you can build bots and stuff, but I'm just not sure. I feel like Clash of Code is actually the easiest one to do on stream. It's kind of a straightforward 15-minute algorithm challenge that is not too difficult to solve. Like, you don't need complex math usually or anything. All right. That's your coding game rank. Hover over the Clash of Code link on the main page. You can see your Clash rank. Oh, okay. So they're different. I didn't know that. Reverse mode. Yeah, we already know we did reverse mode. Okay, so from the inputs and outputs, I have to determine what the algorithm is, and I am historically terrible at this. So we'll see. So given an input of 31, and this is always just random numbers. Like, they always do these weird number challenges. Okay, so given an input of 31. Oh, that's not true. We had some string patterns too last time. But it's usually these type of numbers. Okay, 32 is 1. Huh. Okay. 0 is 0. Okay. 42 is 3. This very large number is 31. And 1 is 1. Okay, so I need to figure out some formula. So what would make this 5? I mean, you can multiply the first one times 2 minus the second one, but then it wouldn't work for the second one. The Fibonacci sequence? How is this the Fibonacci sequence? Hi, Curious Drive. Did you join us in the challenge? No, you should join us. Or are you just watching from a distance? I'm doing well today. Yeah, I'm feeling good. For some reason, I think I've done much better at the challenges this week. It might have been because I warmed up with a Coding Wars practice this morning. Okay, so I really don't get what this is. So let's see, input of 32. How would we get 1 from 32? Let's see. If we squared, no. If we squared the first input and then cubed the second input and subtracted, we would get 1. Oh, binary clue. Look at the binary representation of the number. Okay. Let me see. Python convert into binary. Python. Okay, so wrap in bin. What is dot format? String format method. Oh yeah. Okay, but I don't want that. Okay, this is what I want. If you're looking for a binary equivalent to hex, it was added in Python 2.6. Yeah. Okay, so binary. So, but I have to do each number individually, I think, right? So 5. So let me just print bin of x. 1, 2. Oh, you're adding up the ones in the binary number? No, what's the input here? I forgot to do the input, print x. 31. So, oh yeah, the expected output should be 5. But wait, then how is this next one? It should be 1. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, okay. All right, let me see. So, and then can I stringify the binary number? What happens if I stringify it? Let me try. Okay, and then split off the beginning. So I would do 2, I would slice it. Okay, yeah. And then I just loop through and add it up. So bin method does return a string. Okay, so that makes sense actually. Why would it? Yeah. Okay, so I can slice. I slice straight off the bin method. And then, let's see. Okay, so I slice the string. Oh yeah, now I need to, since it's a string, I can do for num in range. Let me just do n. For n in range. Oh yeah, let me put this in a variable now. Okay, so let's do b equals this binary representation of the number. So I'll do in range, not in range. So I can just do it in b, right? Can I do that? Let me print n. And yeah, okay. So I can do that, and now I have to cast it, so I need to do int, right? Can you do length here? I'm sure you could. I don't know why I'd need length. XGod, thanks for the follow. Okay, so n in b, then, oh, what am I doing? That's int n. So I'm casting as an integer so that I can add it, and then I just, yeah, add it. Let me do total, or t plus equals int n. So I'll do t equals 0 at first, and then at the end I just need to print t, right? Yeah. Is this working? Sweet! That's not too bad. Alright, a little bit slow, but still I got it. Yay! 100%! Oh, Precursor Games gave a super shortcut. Looks like a typical Code Wars Clash of Code one-liner. Alright, 7 minutes. 7 minutes isn't too bad. Major hacked. Said used Java. Mostly it's JavaScript and Python. Mr. Green still using C++. But came in 4th. Great. Thieped less than 1 minute. That's incredible. Oh yeah, bin.count to 1. Okay, that's really smart actually. Oh yeah, that's the same thing that Precursor Games said. Oh, but you didn't even have to slice. So actually Thieped got, yeah, 1 less operation. Of course it's not fewest character, but still. Yeah, this is a really smart solution. Probably the best solution for this. Sum int. Okay, this is a different way of doing it. A little bit more involved. Yeah, I totally didn't need to sum these. I could have just counted them. Alright, so Positronzi is still clashing. I'm not sure. Maybe he's stuck or still working on it. Alright, but everyone else is done, so I think I'm going to move on and do like 1 more clash today. Yeah, I forgot about count 2. is with a list comprehension to int the digits to sum the list comprehension, right? Okay, so I'm going to get out of this clash. This has been really fun today. What do you think? I've been liking these clashes. For some reason, I feel like the clashes are getting better. Like there are fewer clashes that are super math oriented that would take longer than 15 minutes to complete. Okay, so let me start another clash. So what challenge, for the last challenge of today, what challenge do you guys want to do? We could do fastest, shortest, or reverse. Let me actually see chatpoll.tv, see if this one works. AKK says fastest or reverse, not shortest. Okay. Yeah, I agree, not shortest. All right, let's do that then. Don't need a poll. Oh, Precurse Games wants shortest now. All right. Should I take a poll? Should I not take a poll? Yeah. Why not? Why not take a poll? Is that what you're saying? Yeah, let me do it. twitch.tv/Faraday Academy. Fastest, shortest, reverse. But you can only vote once though if we do a poll. So I'm going to start the poll. Is this spelled correctly? Yeah. So type in the chat 1, 2, or 3. Type in the chat and we'll vote, and that's the one that we'll pick. Okay. This update's fast. I like this little site. Whoever built this is awesome. So we do have a lot of people who like shortest. Oh, Richard Me, you're a shortest fan. Grateful Tomato likes shortest. All right, anyone else? I'm going to keep this open for another 10 or 20 seconds. Anyone else want to vote on what we should do? Just go ahead and type a number in the chat. All right, we have 5 votes for fastest. Looks like nobody likes reverse, which is pretty common. That one reverse challenge is enough for a whole stream. All right, anyone else? Going once? No? Reverse sucks. I like shortest because I like to take my time. Yeah, and then even if you come in at the last second with shortest, you can still beat Thebed if you got one character shorter than him. Reverse is hit or miss. Yeah, it's true. Okay, so it looks like we have 5 votes for fastest, 4 for shortest. So I'm going to stop it and we're going to do a fastest challenge. And then maybe we'll start off with shortest on the next stream. Unless this fastest challenge is really fast somehow. Yeah, Thieved is unbeatable. Yeah, that 89 characters was unbelievable. All right, let me invite Sieb. All right, join the clash. Join me. We're going to do a fastest challenge. We had a couple fastest challenges at the beginning of the stream. If you weren't here, we had one that was, it took me, okay, so I'm kind of slow, and it took me 1 minute and 30 seconds to solve. And pretty much everyone solved it in a couple minutes. So maybe we'll get one of those kind of fastest challenges. We'll see. Add me? Oh, said? Okay. How are you? Okay, you've already joined the challenge. Thebed? I guess maybe he's tired. I'll go ahead and invite him just in case. All right, so we have 10 people so far. Anyone else want to join? Oh, Thebed did join. All right, everyone's joined. I guess Mav rejected the request. I think I requested him. Okay, so we have 11 people. Anyone else want to join? Let's see. Precursor. Cool. I don't see you here though. I don't know where you went. Oh, precursor. Level 6 from India. Cool. You're in secondary school right now? Matriculation higher secondary school. I don't know if that's college or secondary school. Oh, Richard. Awesome. Awesome for you to join. I'm usually a slow tomato. I'm pretty slow too. Okay, 1 second. I'll post this link in the chat just in case you want to join while we're already clashing. Okay, this is a lot of stuff. This is going to be a slow clash, I think. Okay, in this advanced version of the trolley problem, what is the trolley problem? A train has lost its brakes and is going to kill people working on several parts of the track ahead. Only you can switch the tracks the train is going to take, but whatever you do, the train will hit people. Okay, find the best possible outcome by taking, this is really morbid, by taking into account the number of people each path and their individual values. Note that there will always be only one optimal solution. Ouch. All right, so the input is an integer n for the number of paths the train can take. And then there's 2 more lines which have 2 space-separated integers. Oh, n lines. So each line represents a path. And each line will have 2 space-separated integers, q and v, for the number of persons on the path and their individual arbitrary value. Wait, we're assigning value to humans, which humans are more valuable? Wow. Okay. Yeah, join via that link. Come and join us. I have no idea what I'm doing yet, so you're bound to be up with the rest of us. We have 13 minutes left. Okay, so the example gives us 3 lines. Output is 1. Okay, let me look at some more. Let me look at the rest of the examples. Okay, so that's the first example. 3. So, oh, which path? So you're saying you would take the 3rd path here. Okay, because each individual, this is crazy. Each individual on this path has a value of 2. So this individual is more valuable than these 2 individuals. Okay. Not sure who made this challenge. Okay, so this individual has a value of 3, but the next 5 individuals only have a value of 1. But still, this individual has to die. Let's see. Okay, so... yeah, so, okay, I get how this works now. What should I do? All right, QV, print. All right, so it's already looping through the range of n, and then it's pulling off QV. That was nice for them to set up the problem for me. You will try to beat me. Come. Wait, did 4 people already solve this challenge while I was just talking? That's crazy. Oh, D10th joined. Welcome. He's usually pretty fast. Okay. QV, and then looping through. Okay, so what do I need to do first? I need to take Q times V. It's already casting it as an integer. Okay, so I need to do val equals Q times V. Oh wait, let me print value. Okay, so, and then I need to save the index of the lowest value. So I could just do, lowest and then equals, I could set it at 1 and see which row it is. In range n. So I'll need to do I plus 1. So here I would set, basically I would set low equals I, oh, I need to test if I should set it. No, that's 1. It's I plus 1. So I need to test if low is, if low, no, if the value, no, I need to save the low index, I don't know. Index and low. Okay, so if value is less than low, then no, this would be index. It's a really long solution. And no, low, and I'd reset low here. So I'd reset low as value. And then after this whole thing is done, I need to just print out the index. So print INX. Success. Okay, so I got this wrong, so now what am I doing? Oh, hi, Tawans. How are you? Thanks for the raid. We only have 8 minutes 47 seconds left, but feel free to join the clash if you would like to. Hi, Mark of the Land. That's actually a very, very cool emote there. Okay, so print INX. Thanks for the follow, Towns, and thanks for the raid. Okay, so I am resetting these. So where am I going wrong here? Specifically with this one. So let me look at what test case 2 is. It's with 3 paths, and I'm returning 1 because that's 6, but I should be returning 3. So why am I not doing that? Actually, the only ones I'm getting right are 1, so I'm obviously doing something very wrong. Equals I plus 1. So yeah, let me just try printing if printing that out and see if value. So what am I doing with value? Let's see. Let me print out value and see. So 6, 4. So value. Oh, I'm an idiot. I need to. What am I doing? Okay. So I need to set low. I guess I'll set it as null. No, I don't know. I'll set it as nothing then. Or I could set it like if it's the first one, I could set it. Yeah, I could set low as, this is dumb. Okay. So if I is 0, then I set low equals val. Yeah, and then this would be an else, elif. Okay, so let me try that again. Oh, wait, I'm printing something. Yeah, let me get rid of that print and see if this works. Okay, so now I think it will work. Yeah, I could set it as some arbitrarily high number, but I don't know if in submit it's going to test some big number or something. Okay, so I guess I'm pretty happy with the solution. Not too bad. Yeah, let me submit. Towns, those are great, really great emotes. That's awesome. Are you, do you do Clash of Codes? I feel like I should do one more now that I got rated. I was gonna have that my last clash. Hello, did you tried to start a compete game to do more in-depth code difficulty as a clash? No, I have no idea what that means. I have never ever tried to do that. But I feel like, so the first like 2 times, the first 2 streams I did with Clash of Code, we got some really hard challenges. And then it's been getting progressively easier. I mean, I've gotten a little bit better, but I feel like just the challenges in general have gotten easier. Wow, AKK got 1 minute and 15 seconds. How in the world did you do that? Nums.append. Okay, so you saved this in a list. You saved all of the results in a list. And then, oh, okay, so you took the min. You took the min of the list, and then you got the index. You got the index of that min number plus 1. All right, I think that's a smart solution. That's pretty good, actually. Grateful Tomato used Ruby, which everyone says it's supposed to... What in the world is this? PR? Yeah, everyone says Ruby's supposed to be much more readable than Python, but I just don't see it at all. I mean, okay, so coding challenges aren't the best way to see if a language is readable, because you would never do this in real life. Yeah, anyway. All right, awesome. We had most people finish. How are you doing, Richard and everyone else? Compete game and choose one you like. Yeah, I tried a couple. So I looked at some different ones. You went AFK, just came back? Okay. I looked at some different ones. Like I looked at, I think it was this one. And I do really love Thor. What was the other one? I tried something else. It was some bot racing or something. Like practice building bots. But they required a lot of math and stuff. So it was like, I don't know. I don't know if I want to do that in a quick challenge. But if you want to suggest a specific one, because the bot... Oh yeah, bot programming. Yeah, this is too much into machine learning and math and stuff. Yeah, so I'm not sure. And I also thought about doing Thor because I like Thor, but then I was like, maybe everyone else doesn't like Thor. Maybe it's just a girl thing that girls like Thor. Of course, then the actor got really different in the last movie. Anyway, try code versus zombie in optimization. The elevator saga is nice too. Ooh, what is this? Fat Thor is the best Thor. No, I was so disappointed. It was so devastating to see that. Oh, someone found a new site, Elevator Saga. I'm going to have to look into that. Thank you. All right, get rid of my chat poll. All right. Yeah, so I could try a different challenge. This might be a good way to wrap up the stream. See how I like something else. Could use it next time. I'm not going to do bot programming. So, oh, someone says code versus zombie. Oh, here it is. Distances simulation optimization. Okay. Well, how long does this take? How long do you have? Oh, really? It's like a coding video game. What's that site that does that? I can't remember. Defend your fellow humans during a zombie apocalypse by controlling Ash, a mean, lean killing machine armed with a heavy rifle. This is like, what was her name? Tanya in Command and Conquer. Score extra points by killing multiple zombies in one turn. The more humans are still alive, the more points each zombie is worth. Will you favor saving as many lives as possible or try to explode zombies in the most stylish fashion you can? How do I do this? Can I play with other people? Is there a way to play with other people in this? How do I do this? Solve it. Thanks. You need to write the code to defend the humans. Yeah. It's a common ladder. Oh, but other people can't play with me here. Right? That's disappointing. Ah. Oh, you compete on the leaderboard. Okay, well, I want to play with the chat if I'm going to be live, though. Maybe I'll try that afterwards. Hi, I don't want to gift sub. It's a very interesting name. Alright, I'm going to do one more Clash of Code. And then I'll check out these other things after. But I'm going to do shortest because a couple people... Ouchies ×2. I'm going to do shortest because a couple people wanted that in the last vote. So shortest actually means fewest characters. So in my opinion, the correct name for the challenge should be fewest. But I don't know. Maybe that's more confusing. Yeah. Precursor is following me. Cool. Babidi. Who's Babidi? Babidi is from Thailand. Alright. Let me invite Babidi. Alright. Anyone else want to join? Shortest is my favorite. There's a whole page about it. Oh, Code Golf. I've only played Vim Golf. What in the world? 10-pin bowling. What is that? Okay. Yeah, I have a lot to look up after. Alright, 10 people so far. Anyone else want to join? Feel free to join. I have no idea who he is. Good. Shortest versus fewest. It's actually a problem with English, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, I guess it doesn't really matter. Maybe I'm turning into a get off my lawn type old coder person. All right, 12 people. Anyone else want to join? Oh, hi Seeker, it's good to see you. You should join our stream or join our coding clash if you have time. I think where you live, it's actually after work hours, right? In Eastern Europe. That's what, like an 8-hour difference? So you're in the evening already. Alright. Hi Jan. Hi Hacked. Hi everyone. Okay, so we have 14 people joined. Oh, you don't work in regular hours. Is that your choice or your company's choice? Okay, shortest mode. Okay, your program must create the lowest integer from the input with the choice of subtracting each digit from 9 or not. Okay. For example, 17 can become 12 by replacing the digits. Okay, 17 can become 12 by replacing the digit 7 by 2 because 9 minus 7 equals 2. Okay. With the choice of subtracting each digit from 9 or not. Okay. So example inputs 169 can be 130. So you wouldn't subtract the first digit because it's already 1. But you could subtract, so 9 minus 6. Oh yeah, because 9 minus 1 would be 8, so that would increase the number. So you could do 9 minus 6, which would be 3, and 9 minus 9, which would be 0. Okay. Let me just look at the inputs real quick. Okay, 9 and 0. That's easy. Okay, so I guess I would try subtracting and check if the number was less. Or I guess there's a threshold. So if it's 5 or greater, you should always subtract by 9. So I need to loop through this, and I think n is a number. Yeah, one integer. So I need to stringify n and loop through it. So I could do let me do a range. So for num in range n, and then I can do, let me just, let me stringify the input here. And then I can do, let me do s. And I will do n in range, not range now. It will be s. Okay. And I need output. So output will be a string. And then, so I basically need to check. So I need to cast this as a number. And I need to check if int n is greater, is greater than 4, then so if it's greater than 4, subtract it by 9. So let's see, subtract, 9 minus, let me just go ahead and store that. So I'll do, let me do C here. So C, C for character and string, and then n equals int C. Okay, and then, so if int n is, no, I don't have to do this again. What am I doing? So if n is greater than 4, then I could do 9 minus n, and I need to save that. So 9 minus n, so let me do this cast as a string, and then I will do output plus equals that string. Meat finder is done. Did someone do this in Bash? Really? That's crazy. I'll have to look at that solution. All right, 4 people have finished already. All right, anyone still wants to join, you can still join. There's over 10 minutes left. So as long as you get the fewest characters, you can still win. It doesn't matter how long you take. Is it counting white space in comments? Okay, well, let's get rid of that. Just throw out any kind of good practice. I'll print the output here. So if n is greater than 4, then I'm going to do this. Else, meaning if it's less than 4, if it's 4 or less, then I just want to do output plus equals the string of, no, I already have the string, so I have C. Yeah, so I think that's it. Let me see. Nope. Can't assign to literal, not a function on line 8. Okay. Oh, what in the world? I did 0 instead of, oh, okay. Success, success. All right, so I passed all the tests. Is there any way I can make this shorter? Yeah, probably. I could do, yeah, let me do, so, output, let me do this on one line. So let me do output plus equals this. So string string n 9 minus n if n is greater than 4, else C. I think that will work. Let me see. Let me do that. Okay. Play all tests. Okay, so all the tests pass. I think that's as optimized as I'm gonna get it. I don't think there's any other way to do this, maybe? I don't know. Python isn't block scoped, so technically, would I have to define this as a string first? I don't know. All right, I'm just gonna submit and see what happens. Change if for ternary operators. and change 4 to 4 each. Is that going to shorten the characters? I don't know. I'm pretty happy with this solution. I'm going to submit it. Indent with 1 space instead of 4. Wait. Indent. Fewer characters. I didn't even think about that. That's an easy change. All right. I'm going to code size 85. I'm going to submit. Yay, I got 100. Wow, 50 characters, 52, 53, 55, 14 characters in Bash. What? 93 characters. Okay, I didn't do too bad. If I got on par with Major, I feel pretty good. Because he's really good. Okay, a couple of people still clashing. I've got to see this 14 character bash solution. Really? How in the world does this work? What? I don't even know how that works. Wait, let me look at... Yeah, int... it replaces... I'm totally speechless right now. I can't believe this exists. I've gotta look this up. So what is TR in Bash? I guess that you said it replaces this with that. That's absolutely crazy. How did you know about that, D10th? How can you possibly know that? That's like obscure, the most obscure knowledge ever. Share my code. Okay, JavaScript got in top 5. That's surprising to me. Reline.split. This is, yeah, that is interesting. With just back quotes. Okay. I didn't know you could do that. Dot map and then join. I didn't know you could do this just you know, in lieu of calling the function. I had no idea you could do that. TR is translate. Wrote this from Ruby and thought translate comes from Perl or Bash. Okay. DTint. Yeah, that's crazy. Let me... Oh yeah, that's the one I just looked at. Bobbity got 53 characters in Python. Oh, this is a pretty smart solution. Alright, well, I still feel pretty good about my solution. It's, you know, I could have shaved off a bunch of characters, but I feel good that I solved it. Okay, everyone else except me, Richard. How are you doing, Richard? Said got Java. This can't be fewest characters at all. Class solution. Yeah, when you have to make a class to do it. Alright, but he solved it. 622 characters, but he still solved it. Was the C++? No, no one was doing C++. Oh, Richard. Richard got 123 characters in Python. Good job. Alright, so hi Tech with Eunice. It's good to see you again. Alright, so it's been an hour and a half, over an hour and a half of doing coding challenges. My brain is a little tired and I need to go eat something. It's almost noon. So, how did you like the coding challenges today? How could you ever hope to win with Java? Hello world is 500 characters. Yeah, Java is not optimized for fewest character challenge. Character challenges, yeah. All right. You almost have to use like Go, Python, Ruby, JavaScript, something like that to win these challenges. Okay, so thanks for joining me. I am going to look, in the last few minutes, I'm going to look for someone to raid. Or Bash. Yeah, that is incredible. I've got to go learn Bash now. Anyone have some good Bash resources? Please join my Discord and share them with me. Also, I have a YouTube video that I've been editing for forever, making sure the rendering is correct this time. But yeah, that should be coming out soon if you want to check out my YouTube and follow me there. I'm going to go to Twitch and find someone to raid. Does anyone have a suggestion of a good raid-y? It's recommended. Oh, I'm not logged in. Let me see. Can I log in easily? Yeah. Need to do this off screen. Alright, let me try to log in to Twitch, because I just restarted my computer. I forgot to log back in. So, man, I need a token. Oh well. Wait 1 second. I joined late. Please send notifications. I did send, so if you join my Discord, I do send notifications there. Oh, Begin Bot is entertaining. Okay, maybe I'll do Begin Bot. He does Golang streams, so sometimes I snoop on him. Oh, let's see. What was I doing? Oh yeah, the Authy app that Twitch requires. I mean, it's a good thing to use two-factor auth anyway, but 8, 7. Okay. It keeps saying that it will remember me for 30 days, and then I have to redo it every single time. So it doesn't actually remember me. All right, so I'm going to move this back on my screen and see. Oh, Coding Garden. Of course, I'm not going to raid Kit Boga. Yeah, let me do Begin Bot then. He's cool. He's a good entertainer, I feel like. He knows how to entertain people on a stream, especially while I'm over making lunch. Kit Boga. Yeah, I love Kit Boga, but definitely not raiding with a coding stream. All right, let me go to my channel then and raid Begin Bot. So, channel. And there's another guy, I guess he's on YouTube, that does like scams the scammers and keeps people from being scammed and reports to authorities. I really like him too. Okay, so let me do raid Begin Bot. Begin Bot. This is like the 3rd time I've raided him or something. Let me raid. It seems like he always does streams after me. I wonder what time zone he's on. Okay, so 8 seconds, 7 seconds. Yeah, thanks so much for joining. Check out my Discord. Keep chatting with me. Python, JavaScript, and coding. Have a good day, everybody.